What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be doing an in-depth overview of Bitcoin. But before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, so today we are doing an in-depth overview on Bitcoin. So the first thing I want to point out for you guys is this falling wedge here. We did break bullish out of this falling wedge. So this is looking quite bullish here on the 1 hour time frame, and I wouldn't be surprised to see us push right up through our local resistance level. The other thing we do see here with Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame is hidden bullish divergence. So you can see we have this low right here, and a higher low right here, where the MACD makes a low and a lower low. So that's hidden bullish divergence. It's a strong buy signal, and it's just a different type of bullish divergence. So I really like this on the 1 hour time frame here with Bitcoin. Now, if we go over to the 3-day candlesticks on Bitcoin, we do see a big bull flag here on Bitcoin that I've talked about in different videos. You can see that we did hit the resistance of this flag here and pulled back a little bit down to support. So I'm watching for this horizontal support level to hold and for us to start to push back up towards that resistance. A little pullback here on Bitcoin is totally expected because of how much resistance we hit up here on the flag resistance. So a little pullback is totally normal here, coming back down to this major support level. So now what we want to see here is for us to find support and push up through that resistance level and really start to take off as a result of that bullish flag pattern. The other thing that we do see here is a big cup and handle. You can see here's the cup and here's the handle. So that cup and handle pattern is a very, very bullish pattern and a pattern that will lead to a lot of upside. So I really like this cup and handle and this bull flag on Bitcoin. Now, if we can break above the resistance of the flag, that confirms the bull flag. And if we break above the bigger picture horizontal resistance, that confirms the cup and handle pattern. So watch for this old all-time high and watch for this resistance of the flag. If we can get above both of those levels, we're going to see a lot more money come into Bitcoin very, very quickly. So that's kind of the 3-day candlestick. So we're bullish not only here on the 1 hour, but we're also looking really bullish here on the 3-day candlesticks. Now we're going to zoom out even further to the 15-day candlesticks and take a look at Bitcoin here on the 15-day. So we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and now we're watching for our 5th wave. So Elliott waves, there's always 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave. And with crypto, that 5th wave is extended. Just like gold or silver, you get an extended 5th wave. So what I'm watching for here with Bitcoin on the bigger time frame is for us to, again, break out as a result of the cup and handle and the bull flag on the smaller time frame, but also as a result of an up and coming 5th wave here on the bigger time frame. So that bigger time frame, 5th wave, should be extended, which means prices will go really high. We're talking about shooting right up past 100K to potentially even 250K per Bitcoin as a result of an extended 5th wave. So that would be super exciting here on Bitcoin because of this bigger time frame, and I am watching for this to happen. This is what I'm seeing from an Elliott wave perspective. Again, that 5th wave should be extended, which means we've got a lot of upside left. We're really only doing the subwaves of wave 5. We haven't even finished the first subwave of wave 5 in preparation for wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 of the subwaves inside of wave 5. So that's super, super bullish here on Bitcoin. I really like this setup. Now, the other thing that we are looking at here with Bitcoin is just how bullish Bitcoin is on the bigger time frame. We're zoomed out even more now to the 3-week time frame, and we're on the logarithmic chart on the Brave Liquid Index, or the Bitcoin Liquid Index, which is basically the oldest historical price data that you can find. You can see this goes all the way back to a penny per Bitcoin. Now, what we're really watching for here on Bitcoin is for us to go a lot higher. Every time we've been near the bottom of this channel, Bitcoin went right up to the top. If it's near the bottom, it's undervalued. And if it's near the top, it's overvalued. And right now, we're pretty near the bottom on Bitcoin. So we have a lot of potential for upside before we're overvalued, like we were back here in 2013, or over here in 2017, or even over here in 2011. And 2021, we didn't even really get overvalued in the bigger time frame. We got overvalued in the short term, but in the bigger time frame, we really haven't went super high like 2017 or 2013 for quite some time now. So I do think Bitcoin will break bullish here in the bigger time frame. Again, we're bullish on a lot of different time frames. I see a lot of bullishness on the 1 hour, on the 3-day, and on the 15-day. But I think that fifth wave here that's coming on Bitcoin is going to result in a very 2017-like run, just like what happened in 2017 right here, or even like what happened here in 2013 when Bitcoin went crazy, or even like what happened here in 2011. We just haven't had a real parabolic run on Bitcoin for a while. So that super profitable parabolic run, I believe, is coming. And I think it could take us to 250K or maybe even a little bit higher. But for sure, I think we'll get up to around 250K per Bitcoin. Now, we have dropped off of our peak here on the smaller time frame. As you guys know, we're down from 72K down to 49K, but we're undervalued in the bigger picture. Again, we're very undervalued in the bigger time frame. As you can see, we haven't even reached the top of this channel for a long time. So I think we will see a lot more upside here for Bitcoin that will take us up to new all-time highs, well above our local resistance and up into bigger time frame resistance, like what happened in 2017 or 2013 or 2011, where we go parabolic and hit this bigger time frame resistance and really get overvalued. Do I think Bitcoin will go to $1 million per coin? No. Do I think Bitcoin could go to 250K? Yeah. I do think Bitcoin could go to 250K or even a little bit higher here in the bigger time frame. So don't buy into the FUD. Don't believe the fear. A lot of people have no idea what they're doing. They're panic selling where they should be buying. Keep your eyes on the prize. Big things are coming for Bitcoin. Also, a lot of you guys that hold Bitcoin also hold Ethereum. Ethereum did retest this upward trending line that we have seen a lot of bullishness off of this level multiple different times. So I think it will happen again where we bounce off of this level and go back up to resistance and see a lot more upside here with Ethereum as well. So that's my view on Bitcoin. You guys, the 1 hour time frame looks bullish. The 3-day time frame looks bullish. The 3-week time frame looks bullish. And the 15-day looks bullish. So don't let a little pullback here from about 66K down to 60K scare you out of the market. There's a lot of FUD. There's a lot of fear out there in the world. But I'm here to tell you that I think Bitcoin is going to go a lot higher. So don't buy into that fear and get ready for big things. You guys, I do have a mastermind program. It does mean that you will have to spend a lot of time learning this stuff if you want to get the results that you can get out of the mastermind program. But if you do put that time into it, you guys can make a lot of money in these markets So apply for the mastermind program, link in the description box below. I'd love to have you on the team so you can learn how to do this stuff too and really master the charts. Bullish, bearish, divergence, all the things that you guys need to become a master at these charts and really make a lot of money in the markets. So that's my view on Bitcoin and a little bit on Ethereum. Big things are coming. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.